Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. In this part of Angular, we will talk about component with inline style and template. There can be three cases with the inline style and template. First one is component directly with the inline style. Second one is component with inline template. And third is, which is most popular also, component with inline style as well as inline template. We will talk about in all these three cases in detail and discuss some interview questions also. But before that, I want to share some information with you. If you are looking to purchase domain name or hosting, then you can purchase it with the Domain Racer and you will get multiple benefits. Here you can see that plans are just started with the 59 rupees per month. They will provide light speed technology with the SSD disk, free SSL certification, cPanel, and this is the most affordable SSD Linux hosting. So what are you waiting for? Go with the Domain Racer and enjoy the benefits. So now let's see how these inline style and inline template components look like. So by default, we have four files in every component: CSS file, HTML file, spec, and TSS. So let's say you want to use inline style in your component. That time there will be only three files: HTML, spec, and TS. There is no CSS file in that case because the CSS will be returned inside in our TS file. So it will be just directly returned here. There will be a no URL. It will just directly returned here. We will use these inline style component whenever we just need to write only one or two line of CSS, or we don't need any CSS in our component, right? Similar case with the template. So let's say we want to create a inline template. That time we don't have any HTML file. We will have just CSS, spec, and TS file, and HTML will be returned directly inline inside our TS file, and there will be no URL for HTML page, right? And this case is useful whenever we don't have any HTML, or we just have one or two tags of HTML in our component. That's why we don't want to create separate file for a small chunk of HTML code, right? And whenever we are using both inline style and template both together, that time though both file will be just missing from here, and they are not used here, and directly HTML and style both are returned inline. I will tell you all cases, and we will create three component with one component with the all cases, right? Separate component with the every cases, I mean to say that. So let's create first one without CSS file, or you can say that the inline style. So just simply put here ng, g for generate, c for component, our component name, let's say user list, and with that we just have to write here minus minus inline style. And whenever you will find that we have a new component here, and there are only three files. Here you can see that HTML, spec, and TS, and here you can see that in app component we have four files. You can just count here, but inside our user list we have only three files. And you will just find one more difference here. We have just directly a style tag here, or you can say that the property. If you want to compare it with the app component, we have a URL here, right? So let's see how we can use it. First of all, I am just opening here app component.html and import this list tag. So just simply put here app user list. If you just wondering that how would I know that I have to use here app user list, then just go here and you will find the selector name, and just use this selector name as a tag, and it will just rendered here simply. Okay, so I just want to add some style here. So how can I add it? So for first of all, let's open this tag, and I want to make it with the h2 tag so that we can just see it very clear. And now let's simply add here a class, let's say custom, right? And now just go to the app.list.ts component.ts file and simply use here backticks, use here custom color red, and let's check out the output here. Now you can see that we have a red color here. That's great. So with that way we can use inline style. So let's say you want to generate a inline template. So just simply put here student list student list minus minus inline, and we can put here style also like this, and oh no, we have to put here template, and just hit here. And now we again have 3 files, but that time we have CSS file, but there will be no HTML file. Let's check it out, and you can just compare the both of them. Now our if you want to open student.list component, then you will find that our HTML is inline. So let's how we can add style here. So let's see color, and we can simply use here custom like this, and we can change this p tag to h2 tag for a little bit bigger text, and we have CSS file here. So simply just add custom color green, and let's add this student tag inside our app.html. So just simply put here app student list, and let's close it. And here we have now student list with the green color. So all right, so in both cases we have 3 files. So let's say how we can create inline style with the inline template both. So just simply put here ng g4 generate c4 component country, that is our component name, and let's simply put here inline style, and again inline template, and just hit enter. Now you will find there only be 2 files, one for CSS, second one for TS. There will be no HTML and CSS file. Here you can see that. And now that case, I just want to close this command line because we don't need much more. We have HTML and style both inline. So let's say again I am creating it h2, and let's simply use a class. We can put here custom its name, and in style tag let's simply use custom, and we can simply say that color is red. Okay, we already used that, so let's say color is blue, and let's use this country component inside our app student, it should be country, and we can just simply close it. And now let's check out the output of that one, and we have country in blue color. So with that way we can create inline style, inline template, and inline style and template together. So the most of the interviews they can ask that why we are creating inline template and inline style component. So sometimes we just need a line of HTML or line of style code, only just 1 or 2 lines, right? That time there should be no requirement that we can create a new file. We can just write it directly inside our same file. That's why we call the let me open that one, right? So let's say we just need 1 line of HTML and 1 line of CSS. That's why we need to create a new file. For that time we create inline style or inline template. And thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.